Hey guys, I just got the H96 Max Android TV box from Simi Idea Hub. Simi Idea is a tech hub in Nigeria and it's one of the best tech hub I have ever patronized. So in this video I'm going to unbox the new Android TV Max H96 that turns your TV ordinarily or to an Android TV box. So let's see what we got in the H96 Max box Android TV box. So in this box we unveil what is in the package. So if you're interested in it, you can just hang around our YouTube channel for the H96 Max Android TV product review. So let's see what we got in the box. Okay, so it seems the first thing we got in the box is the H96 Max Ultra HD Max itself. So at the back you have H96 Max and it has 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, running on Android 10.0, and the CPU is RK3318, that is the rock chips is 3318. So if you're looking for a better rock chip better than the rock chip 3328, I would recommend you get the rock chip 3318 with the 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. And if you cannot avoid the 64GB internal storage, you can get the 4GB RAM and the 32GB internal storage. I think the price range is minimal. So we've got the H96 Max Android TV box, and in there we have the adapter. The adapter is used to connect the Android TV box to the power source, so to put on the Android TV. Meanwhile, in the Android TV box, we have two USB ports. So here you can connect your USB, or you can even connect a flash drive to access it on your TV, and a TF. Here you can expand the internal storage from 64GB maybe to something like 128GB gigabyte storage. And we have the Ethernet and the HDMI port, then the charging port. So that's all. So in the box again we have the Android TV box H96 Max remote control. I think this is just having like 10 or 12 buttons. So I wonder how this is going to work. So let's just hang out for the Android Max H96 Max product review. So this is going to come shortly after this unboxing. In addition, we have the HDMI. The HDMI is used to connect the Android TV box to your TV. So you connect it to this port, then you connect it at the back of your TV or wherever the HDMI port is located on your TV. And in addition, we have the manual. So in most cases, the Android TV box H96 Max comes with English manual supporting different languages. So in the box, we have 5 packages. So, or 5 items rather. We have the manual, the Android TV box manual, the HDMI to connect the TV box to your TV, the TV box itself with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage expandable to 128GB internal storage, and the remote control. So the remote control uses 2 tri-cells battery. So 6 battery. So all these will be reviewed during our next video, where we're going to review the Android TV box H96 Max 4GB RAM 64GB ROM review. And so that's all we have in the box: the charger, the remote control, the TV box, the manual, and the HDMI. So please hang on for a product review and do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you don't want to miss our next update, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification to be among the first to receive our new video notification. Thank you. Thumbs up for you.